Hi everybody. Graceland's going to do her shape, or not her shape. She knows all her shapes. We've moved on to all her animals now. And mammals. We've got her fish and barnyard animals. Okay, can you show me the elephant? Where's the elephant? No, that's a lion. Where's the elephant? There's the elephant. Put it in there. Okay, where's the blue whale? Where's that whale at? No, that's a shark. Where's the whale? Show me the whale. Actually, that's the dolphin. Where's the whale, honey? Where's the whale? Show me the blue whale. That's a dolphin. Where's the whale? There's the whale. Very good. Very good. Are you teasing me? Put it in there. Okay, where's the lion? Show me the lion. Roar. Roar. Where's the lion? No, that's the shark. Where's the lion? There's that lion. Put him in. Okay, where's the cow? Show me the cow. Show Nanny the cow, honey. No, that's the dolphin. Where's the cow? Moo. That's the billy goat. Where's the cow? Where's the cow? There he is. Okay, where's the zebra? Show me the zebra. Where's the zebra? Very good. Okay, where's the dolphin? Show me the dolphin. There's the dolphin. Very good. Okay, where's the billy goat? There it is. Okay, where's the lobster? Where's that lobster hiding? Where's the lobster? That's the crocodile. Where's the lobster? Where's the lobster? Nope, that's the octopus. Where's the lobster? There it is. Whoops, no turtle yet. No sneaking the turtle in there yet. Okay, where's the horsey? No, where's the horse? Show me the horse. Nay, nay, where's the horse? Very good. Okay, where's the giraffe? Show me the giraffe. In a minute, you can have a snack in a minute. Where's the giraffe? There he is. Okay, where's the turtle? Show me the turtle. There he is. Okay, where's the gazelle? Show me the gazelle. Where's the gazelle? Where is he? No, he's right here. This is the gazelle. Okay. Okay, where is the shark? Show me the shark. No, those are the ducks. Where's the shark? Show me the shark. Yeah, someone's mowing their lawn, huh? Okay, where's the crab? Show Nanny the crab. Yeah, someone's making a lot of noise out there. They're mowing their grass. Okay, where's the crab? Where's the crab? This is the crab. Right here. That's the crab. Okay, where's the octopus? Show me the octopus. That's a crocodile. Where's the octopus? There it is. Okay, where is the ducks? Show me the ducks. Yeah, show Nanny the ducks. Yeah, someone's mowing the lawn. Making a lot of noise, huh? Where's the duck? Show me the ducks. Where's the ducks? Put it in the bucket. No, the ducks, silly. There they are. Somebody's starting to get tired, I can tell, because you know all these. And show me where the seahorse is, huh? Where's the seahorse? That's a crocodile. Where's the seahorse? Where's the seahorse? There it is. Okay, where's the farmer? Where's the farmer? Very good. Where's the barn? Very good. Where's the rhino? No, you had it. That's a crocodile. That's the rhino. Very good. Okay, where's the rooster? That's a crocodile. Where's the rooster? Very good. Okay, now the crocodile. Where's the crocodile? Hey, hey, where's the crocodile? No, show me the crocodile. Okay, where is the dolphin? There we go. Put it in there. Yeah, very good. Good job. Can you clap your hands? Yay, Graceland. Good job, honey. Fantastic. Great.